So the previous video on this channel was our big discussion on Bitcoin and how the market cycle can end potentially soon. Today's video is talking about Ethereum. So similar sort of thing, we identified for September 2013, 2017, and 2021, Bitcoin pullbacks had occurred. But we also identified here that basically November and December of every 4-year cycle, Bitcoin achieved its market cycle top. So are we literally just 3 months away from the end of Bitcoin's bull cycle? Or do we have more to come? Well, anyways, I want to check out over what's going on. I've got a $3.94 trillion market capital for blockchain, which is a historical high. And I did expect it to go higher in general, but right now we have a $4,283 Ethereum, which is very good. Of course, you can see we're just chilling at 4.283K, and a lot of institutions are buying Ethereum. They are sick and tired of Ethereum dropping 70%. They want to see Ethereum do well, and there's a lot of interest, a lot of retail interest in Ethereum right now. The TVL is very high, the total value locked. The market cap, of course, is not far away from an all-time high. So I think it's inevitable that we will actually see an all-time high for Ethereum. We're at $552 billion market cap is where we need to break through. So it's looking likely, it's looking probable, not financial advice, of course, but this is something I'm very, very aware of and something that I feel like could potentially happen real soon. Looking at the RSI of Ethereum, you can see that we are just overbought. We're sitting at 70 on the relative strength index, which tells you how overbought or undersold an asset is in the crypto space. Now, if we do make this breakout, where I personally think we're going to go, scrap the $20,000 numbers, scrap all those numbers. I just think stick to your bread and butter. The 1618 Fibonacci gives us a good sort of kind of accurate region. We might go up another $1,000. If we go up another $1,000, that's great. Maybe a bit more, sort of between 5.2K and 5.9K. That's a range that I'll give you. And, I'd be happy if we hit $5,500 for Ethereum. And I think that's pragmatic. You're not really asking for too much. You're still making an all-time high. And you got to remember, we are approaching the bull market end. And that's something I personally believe is true. If you guys also want more insights, information around crypto, when the bull market will end, how to enjoy the next bear market, how to make the most of the next bear market cycle, and when to engage with accumulation and dollar cost average, you can check out our Patreon. It's down below, guys. We've got a bunch of alphas and trading signals in there too, where people are winning every day, but the Patreon is here. Look, only 7 crypto legend subscription slots are available. You're going to get all these things: spot trade signals, leverage trade. You're going to get early access to stealth launches and cryptos. You're going to get a bunch of things that will help you grow in the market. Now, also, you're going to see the bear market of 2026 and 2027 strategy. So if you want to learn how to accumulate like a pro in the market, the Patreon will for sure help you. So yeah, I think interesting times ahead. Very, very interesting. If we can hold this particular flag here for Ethereum, there's a good chance we're going to pump out of this, because it really does look bullish, and it's almost making me want to go long on a leverage trade. If we break out of this and Ethereum goes up again, which is a very good chance, we're looking at, in the next day or 2 or 3, $4,400 for Ethereum. So I'm bearing this in mind. I'm very, very bullish, but I can see in both directions, we do have a bit of resistance. We're getting resistance at the top at 4.3K. We've got good buying pressure, however, at 4.1K. So it's holding very, very well. Of course, guys, if you are trading cryptos, have a look at Bitfinex. You can trade down below. You can sign up in seconds. No KYC is required. And also, guys, it's globally accessible. So great fees. You can copy trade. You can do staking. Bitfinex is a great crypto exchange I personally really enjoy. The link is down below. Get those sign up bonuses whilst they are still there. So thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments where you think Ethereum will go. Personally, I love Ethereum, and I've bought a lot down at 1.5K. I did sell on the way up during this pump, I will be honest. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.